Everyone wants to know how to make life-changing money from affiliate marketing, but here is the truth, okay? Most people overcomplicate it. In this video, I'm going to show you the simple and proven method I used to generate $17,975 in commissions with affiliate marketing using nothing but YouTube free traffic. And you can do the same. So make sure to watch this video until the end. I will share with you everything you need to start just with organic free traffic, okay? And this commission made just in one single month, in the month of December, from the first day until the day 31, and it's paid. I received this money in my PayPal account. As you can see over here, this is my invoice and it's paid, okay? And this is the first time I will share my PayPal account with you guys to show you that it's real, and you can also start getting like those numbers, okay? This is my PayPal account, okay? And if we scroll down, let me show you, okay? So you can make sure, and this is to make sure it's possible, okay? You guys can see over here, okay? Let me show you. You see here payments from Fiverr International Ltd. $17,975 in commissions with affiliate marketing. It's not a big number because I'm following people who are making over $50,000 every single month with affiliate marketing, okay? Anyway, so for people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing, step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one, okay? So what you will do, first step, go to Google and search for this website, search for Fiverr, okay? And click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate, with Fiverr, okay? So what you will do, you just need to come to this page and scroll down. Just keep scrolling down, go to company and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, let me show you. You guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commissions, so you can scroll down over here and you can check those informations and how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying good commissions. And for example, if a person buy service from you, you will earn commission. If this person will keep buying more services for the next 12 months, you will make 10% commission from every transaction this person will make on Fiverr, okay? Anyway, you guys just need to click here on join now. And here you go. The sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have a website, you can say no. Choose your country and choose your language, okay? If you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. The sign up process is super easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard, okay? So what you will do next is you need to choose a good services that you will start promoting on YouTube using free traffic, and I will share with you one of my profitable services that I'm promoting on YouTube, and I will share with you the audience that will be, how we can find and how we can target the audience that will be interested to buy this service from you, okay? So what you will do next, you will go and open your YouTube account like this. Just open your YouTube account. So why we choose YouTube? Because YouTube is the must, it's the best traffic source for me, okay? I'm getting a lot of traffic from YouTube. You guys don't know the potential of YouTube. YouTube has 29 billion monthly visitors. That's a big number. YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number one and YouTube is number two. So we have millions of people on YouTube every single day. Anyway, so what you will do, you will use your YouTube search bar. click on the search and ask question. So this is exactly what I'm doing. I ask question, for example, how to, let's say, how to create, okay, Shopify, and here you go. YouTube will give you the topics that people are searching for right now on YouTube. People are searching for how to create Shopify store, how to create Shopify website, how to create Shopify account, how to create Shopify dropshipping store. Those people who are searching for those topics, they have money and they want to start Shopify. They want to start e-commerce in general. Okay, so those people will be interested to buy this service. If you go back to your Fiverr homepage and click on the search and search for Shopify store design. Search for this service. Scroll down. I want you to pay close attention in this step. Always choose a good sellers. Choose sellers who has a lot of reviews. Sellers uh, who are in levels like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, Fiverr choice, and so on. So those people who will click on your affiliate link, they will check the profile of those sellers. They will check the reviews of those sellers. If those sellers that you are choosing are good sellers, they provide a good service, those people will buy the service from you from YouTube, and you will also start making commissions. Okay, so let's choose for example one like this one. You guys can see this one, 5 star, 700 reviews. This is from Fiverr choice. This one is good. Okay, so I will click on his service like this. Just click on his service and here you go. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. You guys can see this seller has orders in queue, 700 reviews, which is good. This seller is even top rated seller. That's really good. So already people are paying for this service. This is the proof. Orders, look how many orders in queue. Okay, and this service starting from $150, and this one can make a professional Shopify e-commerce website store for you. So for beginners who want to start, for example, e-commerce, even if they have money, already they have money, okay, to start e-commerce, you need a budget that you need to create Shopify store to run ads. So those people already have money. So if you provide this service for those people who are searching for how to create Shopify store, they will buy this one from you and you will earn commission. Okay, so what you will do next, you will copy the link of this seller, copy the profile link of this seller, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Let me show you. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account like this and click over here. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports, and payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and dip links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on dip link, put this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you will do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Okay, so before we do that, we will go back to this seller profile page. Let me show you. Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down. You guys can see that the seller has a video which is really good explaining.
There has never been an easier way to start your online business, but with the help of highly professional Shopify expert, you can boost your business revenue.
You guys can see this seller explaining to people how he can create a professional and branding Shopify website store. Okay, so what we will do next, we will use this video. We will double click on the video and click on save video and save this video to your laptop. Okay, I will name this video for example Shopify. Click on save and here you go. So what you will do next, you will pay close attention, go back to Google and search for Canva. Okay, search for this website, click on the first link and sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and after you finish you will be directly in this page over here, and it's for free. Okay, so let me show you what you need to do next. So what you need to do next, just click here on video and click on YouTube video, and you will be directly in this page on Canva like this. Okay, so let me show you what you need to do. Next is you need to upload the video that you download from Fiverr. Okay, so what you will do next, click over here on upload, click on upload file, and upload the video that you download from Fiverr about Shopify. Okay, let's go to downloads over here and Shopify, and here you go. Okay, click on open, and your video will be uploaded to Canva like this. Click on your video, and your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points, scroll down, click on set video as background, and here you go. Click on text, scroll down again, and choose which style of text you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one. Just click on the text style that you want to use, and it's gonna be over in the front of your video. I will delete this one. Okay, let me show you. And I will decrease the font size of this text like this, and I will put this text here. Double click and write this sentence. Check my website in description. Okay, check my website in description. People who will watch this video on YouTube, they will check our YouTube description, and we will put our affiliate link there. So click over here on elements and scroll down. Let me show you. Scroll down like this. Go over here to ships and choose this one, and put this ship like this. Click on color, choose black color, and make it like this to make your text looks clear and good. Okay, and here you go. Your text will be like this. You guys can see, super easy. Let's check now.
There has never been an easier way to start your online business.
You guys can see. So people who will watch this video on YouTube, they will see this. Check my website in description. They will check our YouTube description, and we will put our affiliate link there. So what you will do next, click on share and click on download, and this video will be downloaded into your laptop. Go and open your YouTube channel, create a YouTube channel. It's for free, and upload this video to your YouTube channel. Put this title, how to create Shopify store. For example, you can add in 2025, like it's new updates, so you can rank your video. So what you need to focus on YouTube is you need to focus on ranking your video high in the search results of YouTube. Okay, so let's search, for example, first. Okay, when you will upload your video, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliates account. Let me show you. Go back to your Fiverr affiliates account. For you guys, if you just started this business and you have new account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliates account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years, and they still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here and go back and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. And you can first, you need to verify your YouTube channel with your ID, so you can start putting clickable affiliate links in your YouTube description. Okay, and what you need to focus on YouTube, if we search, let's search for example for this topic, how to create Shopify store, so you can understand what I'm talking about. You need to you need to try to rank your video high in the search like this. You guys can see, like for example, like this one. This one is ranking his video in the first page of the search result. This is exactly how you can make so much money with affiliate marketing. Okay, because you will start getting commissions from those views on YouTube, that from people who are interested to create, to buy this service about creating Shopify store. Okay, because those people who are searching for how to create Shopify store, they don't know how to do it. That's why they are searching for this topic. And if they find good seller, good service that can help them create a branding and professional Shopify store, of course they will buy it. Okay, so why not? They already have money. People who are searching for this topic, they have money. Okay, you need to try to rank your video like this. If you are ranking your videos like this, you can make so much money. Even if you stopped working, you will keep getting views like this. Look at this video, for example, 2.2 million views. This video was uploaded 3 years ago, and this video is still getting 42 views per hour. Okay, 3 years, and this video is still getting traffic. So if this person put an affiliate links in his YouTube in this video, in this description of the video, he can make really so much money from affiliate marketing. And this one too, and we have a lot. You guys can see also this one, this one here, and so much more. Okay, so that's what you need to focus on. I do have an affiliate marketing course for people who are interested. You guys can reach out to me in my email address. Inside my course, you will get access to all my profitable services that I'm promoting as an affiliate marketer with Fiverr. You will learn step by step how to create an engaging content that you can use to promote your affiliate links, your own content, and so much more. Also, guys, when you will upload the video that you download from Fiverr, please upload the video as Creative Commons so you will not get any copyright issue with YouTube. Okay, and that's it. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.